Good morning, children. I extend a warm welcome to all of you on this online teaching learning session. My dear children, if you remember, I was teaching you active and passive voice. And I have already taught you active voice and passive voice of some tenses like simple present, present continuous, present perfect, simple past. And today I am going to teach you the active and passive voice of past continuous. Here, subject plus was, were plus V4, present participle plus object plus other words. This is the structure of the past continuous. Was, were will be helping verbs, and main verbs V4, fourth form of the verbs, means V plus ing form. And now you see this is the structure of active voice of past continuous. Now the structure of the passive voice of past continuous is subject plus was being, were being plus third form or third form of the verb, past participle plus by or any other preposition plus object plus other words. So this is the structure of the passive voice of past continuous. Now you see the example, children. First example is I was eating a mango. How will you change this one? I was eating a mango. So I, the subject here, was helping verb, eating verb, and a mango object. So this object will become subject here. So a mango, and as I have told you in past continuous, here was being. In passive voice, a mango was being eaten by me. So was being will be used here. Was being will be used. Now you see another example. She was writing a letter. She was writing a letter. How will you change? A letter was being written by her. So we will change. A letter was being written by her. Here, this letter is the object here, was being, and third form of the write is write, wrote, written. So written, and she changes it to her here. Now you see, my teacher was teaching me English. So here there are two objects. You can make in two ways, and two objects are there. How will you change? I was being taught English by my teacher, or you can write here English was being taught. English was being taught to me by my teacher. So when there are two objects, you can change in two ways. Now you see, he was not. Now I'm going to tell you about negative sentence. These are the affirmative sentences. Now negative sentence. He was not loving his brother. This is the active voice. Now in passive voice, how will you do? His brother was not being loved by him. So here love, loved, loved. Third form of love is loved. So we have used here. And was not being. It will be used negative. Now you see the interrogative sentence. Were you doing your work sincerely? Here this is negative sentence. Sorry, interrogative sentence. In interrogative sentence, how will you do? How will you change it? Was your work being done by you sincerely? Was your work being done by you sincerely? Was your work. Now, who was helping you? This is the active voice. Whenever the interrogative sentence starts with who, how will you change? By whom? By whom were you being helped? So, according to you, this helping verb has come here. Now you see another sentence. What were they learning in the class? So, what was being learned by them in the class? This is the question mark. So, like that you will change. Now, last sentence. Why were you making a noise? So, why was a noise being made by you? So, these are the different examples that you have to do and you have to change the active and passive voice like that of the past continuous children. So my dear children, I hope you must have understood, and if you have any doubt, you can ask me in my personal WhatsApp or by phone. Thank you. Have a nice day, children.